Hello and Happy New Year, my friends. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my Southern Kitchen, the 439th and the final episode in 2020 here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. I'm Ellen. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. Here we are. It's New Year's Eve. So to celebrate, I'm going to share with all of you a quick and easy cocktail that'll be perfect for your New Year's Eve gathering or any time of the year. We're going to make Strawberry Lemon Moscato Punch. And my friends, it is thebomb.com. It's going to be so delicious, simple and easy to make. And it's going to be full of strawberry lemon goodness. Your whole guest is going to love this drink. It is marvelous. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my other recipes for New Year and my previous video, fried ravioli. I'll post a link to all of those down below in the description box. So grab your strawberries, your lemonade, and your Moscato sugar, because we're about to make some strawberry lemon Moscato Punch magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. All right, my friends, in my pitcher, we're going to add in 1 cup of fresh diced strawberries and 1/4 cup of frozen lemonade concentrate that I thawed. And we're going to puree these. All right, my friends, I have poured my strawberry puree into my measuring cup. So now we're ready to make the punch. In my large bowl, we're going to add in the rest of the frozen lemonade concentrate. So in total, that's 1 12 fluid ounce can. Next, we're going to add in the strawberry puree and 1 bottle of Moscato. And give it a quick stir. Alrighty. So now I'm going to put it in the refrigerator and let it chill for about 30 minutes. Alright, my friends. Our punch is nice and chill. Time to fix a glass. I'm going to put a little bit of the punch. And now we're going to top it with some ginger ale. Now we're going to add on a strawberry and the lemon and the straw. Just like that. And there you have it, my friends. Strawberry lemon Moscato Punch. Don't that look delicious? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. All right, here we go. Cheers. Crisp and refreshing. I can taste all the flavors. This is some marvelous punch, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another sip. Yum-o. Strawberry lemon Moscato Punch delicious. Well, my friends, I want to thank all of y'all for joining me in this great journey this year. I'm looking forward to sharing more great recipes for y'all in the new year. I want to thank y'all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And for the final time in 2020 and until 2021, let's eat and have a wonderful, blessed, and safe, happy new year. Cheers!